Hello, children. I am your Suman ma'am, and I am back with another interesting story. It is a story of a boy named Bobby and his sister Molly. On one sunny day, Bobby and his sister went to a picnic with their mama and papa. Bobby and his sister were playing on a swing. Suddenly, Molly fell down from the swing and got hurt on her knee. She was bleeding and she started crying. Seeing this, Bobby quickly called out to his parents, Mama, Papa, come here. Molly got hurt. Let's call the doctor. Papa checked Molly's knee and said, Don't worry, Bobby, no need to call a doctor, and took out a box from his bag. He first washed his hands properly and then washed Molly's wound with water. Then he cleaned the wound with a piece of cotton dipped in an antiseptic lotion. Then he put some antiseptic cream over the wound, covered it with some cotton pad, and tied a bandage over it. Bobby was so surprised to see that his father had brought antiseptic cream, cotton, bandages, etc. for the picnic and asked curiously about the small box. Papa told him that this is a first aid box which he always carries with himself whenever he goes for a trip. But Bobby did not understand what first aid was. Then Papa explained to him that the first aid is the immediate and temporary help or care given to anyone who is injured or hurt. First aid is also given to anyone who falls ill suddenly. Injuries like bites, stings, eye injury, nose injury, heat stroke, burns, poisoning, etc. can be treated with first aid. But remember, we call the doctors if we are severely ill or injured. So, children, I hope the story was interesting. But, children, did you notice one thing? In the story, Bobby's father had a white colored box which looked like this. Do you all know what is it? I'm sure you all know by now what is it. Yes, it's a first aid box. Do you all want to know what all things are there inside? Let's have a look. This is cotton. We use cotton to stop bleeding and to clean the wound. This is an antiseptic liquid. Antiseptic liquid helps us to protect our wound from germs or bacteria. This is a band-aid. Band-aid helps us to heal the wound. These are medicines or tablets which we use whenever we have fever, stomachache, headache or vomiting, etc. This is a pair of scissors. We use the pair of scissors to cut the bandages to an appropriate length. This is a pair of gloves. Children, whenever we are giving first aid to anyone, we first have to protect ourselves. So we must wear gloves before giving first aid to anyone. So that is all are there in this first aid box. I hope all of you have enjoyed today. So I will see you next time, children. Bye.